Hey everyone, welcome to how to convert rectangular equations to polar coordinates or polar equations. Okay, so ideally we're going to go from rectangular equations to polar equations. So to do this, we really got to replace, we're going to interchange, we're going to have x and y, but we're going to transfer those into polar equations. So instead of writing our equation in terms of x and y, we're going to write it in terms of r and theta. So we're going to replace x with r cosine theta and replace y with r sine theta. That is the following. So x is going to be replaced by r cosine theta, y is going to be replaced by r sine of theta. Okay, so this is our first example, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So it says let's convert x plus y equals 7 to a polar equation. Okay, so if we go ahead and just rewrite our equation, okay, x plus y equals 7, we know that x equals r cosine of theta, and we know that y equals r sine of theta. So this is going to be by substitution. We're going to replace both x with r cosine theta, and we're going to replace y with r sine theta. And that's all equal to 7. Okay? So what we've done is this is our previous x value, this is our previous y value now, so we've replaced them. And now notice both terms have an r. Okay, so just go ahead and factor out the r, and we're going to be left with cosine theta plus sine theta, and that's going to be equal to 7. Okay? To solve for r now, we're going to divide each side by cosine theta plus sine theta, and divide this side by cosine theta plus sine theta. Okay, so r is equal to 7 over cosine theta plus sine theta. So that is our equation in polar form. Okay, so the idea here is you go from x and y, an equation in terms of x and y, to an equation in terms with r and theta. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments, type them below. We'll see you next time.